When comparing an organic apple with a conventional apple, both may be shiny, red, and firm. So which one should be bought? Today, many people believe that organic food is better than conventional food. So, organic food is better than conventional food. But however, some studies show that organic food nutrients are not any different than conventional food nutrients. Today, I'd like to spend a few minutes to share with you the pros and cons of organic and conventional food. In particular, I will discuss briefly how both types of food may benefit you and how they may not. Let's begin by learning about the organic food and its benefits. What is organic food? In the United States, organic food is grown following specific USDA requirements. One of these requirements include for animals not to be given any antibiotic or growth hormones. And according to HelpGuide.org, the use of antibiotics in conventionally grown meat products create antibiotic-resistant strains of bacteria, which means that if someone is affected by these strains or gets sick by these strains, they will not be as receptive or as responsive when they receive any antibiotic treatment. Another benefit is that organic farming prohibits the use of synthetic or petroleum-based pesticides. Some pesticides can affect people, especially children and pregnant women, especially because it leads to illnesses like human behavioral disorders, birth defects, developmental delays, and it adds strain to weaken immune systems. Another benefit is the environmental one. It helps maintain the soil's quality because of its natural fertilizers. Now that we know some benefits of organic food, let's spend a few moments discussing conventional food. One of its most obvious benefits is its cost. It's less costly for the producers and for the consumers. And it's beneficial because it's affordable, especially when there's economic hardships. Another benefit is that it helps with the management of natural waste, because since it has preservatives, food doesn't spoil as fast as conventional food. So this leads to another benefit, which is food security. Because of the growing human population, it's better to save food, and it'll benefit people in the future. Now that we learned the basic benefits of conventional and organic food, we'll discuss some of its negatives. First, for organic food, the most obvious negative is its cost. Because of the because of its costly farming practices, it's high in cost, and it can also lead to food and land waste because it has no preservatives. So food spoils faster, and all this food that is gone to waste, they have to throw into lands, creating land waste. Now, for conventional food, some negatives are that it's not natural and that it affects the environment. It's not natural because of all of its chemicals, and usually things that are not natural, it's not good for people. And it affects the environment by the fertilizers and pesticides. It creates pollution for the water and for the land. So there are positive and negatives of both organic and conventional food. So what are the best choices for consumers? Well, the U.S. Department of Agriculture makes no claims that organically produced food is any safer or any more nutritious than conventionally produced food. So the decision is yours, whether you want the apple with less preservatives or the apple that's less costly. Yay. Okay.